Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Dandy in Dandy's World in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to get it, you first have to launch your Roblox mobile application. Or you can even follow the same steps in your PC as well. So here, as you can see that currently I'm in my Roblox mobile application. So if you are here, you just have to use the search bar in the top. And here you need to type Dandy's World RP. Then you need to press the search bar here. You will be able to see the first search result, that is Dandy's World RP. So you need to simply click on it. You just have to simply play it. Now once you are in the game, you just have to simply follow the steps that I'm about to show you. So here, once you are in the game, you just have to simply go, and here you can see the Tunes option. So you need to click on the Tunes, and here you will see the first avatar that would be Dandy. So you need to simply select it. And as you can see that now you have Dandy. Now you can use it in your Dandy's World game. And you are done. So that's basically how you can get Dandy in Dandy's World in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.